I'm Chris, I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey Outback. Let's go have a look. Fitted to your Jayco RV is a reverse cycle air conditioner so that you can stay comfortable all year round. To turn on your air conditioner, take the remote, hit the on button. So you can toggle through your modes. So we've got aircon mode, automatic, and summer mode, which is your heater. Up and down button for your temperature. Now I've also got a turbo mode. So if it is really hot, you can boost the turbo. Now you've also got a night function as well. So there's a night function to the bottom left-hand side of the remote control. So what that does is it lowers the compressor kick in and out during the night. There is also a timer, so you can set a timer. So if you go to bed and it's hot, your timer can cut out the air conditioner a couple of hours after you've gone to sleep. Please remember that an aircon is a 240 volt appliance, so you will need a capable generator if you're going to free camp and use your aircon. So for further information, please refer to the aircon owner's manual. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.